everyone, in this video let me find out the truth table for P and Q. For the two variables P and Q, we have totally 2 square, that means 4 set of possible values. In general formula you know already, that is 2 power n. So here n based upon the number of variables given in our problem. Here n is nothing but 2, here we have only 2 variables P and Q, so that we have 4 set of possible values we need for constructing the truth table for P and Q. So in the first column I have to take P, and the second column I have to take Q, and third column I have to take P and Q. Let me write down the set of possible truth values for P and Q right now. The first possibility is true, true. The second one is false, true. Alternatively here we take true, false. The last possibility is false, false. Instead of that we don't have anything. So now let me now find out the truth values for P and Q. The operator P and Q, that is the AND operator, has a truth value true only when both the variables P and Q has a truth value true. Then only P and Q has the truth value true, otherwise it has a truth value false. If only any one of the variables take the value false, then the resultant value should be false. So this is the truth table for the AND operator. Thank you.